Hey there, it's Matt with 1T Fit and Finish, and I've sprung a leak. I'll show you how to fix it. Check it out. To put this video into context, I dug this egress hole and ran into my gas line. I was hoping that the gas company could just loosen one of the unions and slide the pipe over, but because the system is so old, the pipe is old, they want to put a new service in and reconnect over at the corner. This goes to show also, you really need to call before you dig. So before we get started, Ellie and I would like to thank all of my subscribers and all of my future subscribers. Please like, comment, and share. Now on to the video. Let's go! Once all the service lines were identified, I began digging a trench for the new gas line. Unfortunately, they don't identify irrigation lines. And I put my pick dead center in the middle of one of the main lines. Of course. So after a quick shower, I ran to the basement and fumbled around to find the main shutoff valve in the Dr. Seuss closet. Twink. Yep, got it dead center. It went all the way through to the other side. You're gonna need a chunk of black polyethylene, in my case 1 inch, a couple of couplings, also 1 inch, a few pinch clamps. A poly tube cutter is very handy, channel locks to help twist the blue twisters into the pipe, some fence pliers to pinch the clamps, and a heat gun to soften the poly pipe. Whew. I got the pipe upstream from the damage, then downstream an arbitrary distance, just as long as all the damage is removed. Then eyeball the length of pipe needed to make the repair. I used the patented Matt with 1T thumbnail marking tool. Don't forget to put your pinch clamps on. Don't forget to put your pinch clamps on both sides of the coupling. After struggling to use the channel locks to twist the blue twister couplings into place, remember you brought the heat gun. After a couple of seconds of heat, the couplings pop right into place. After the couplings are in place, I use the fencing pliers to pinch the pinch clamps shut. Well, struggle to pinch the pinch clamps shut with the fencing pliers, that is. I'm sure they make a tool for this, but I don't have it. After all the pinch clamps are pinched shut, I wrap the repair with PVC pipe wrap. This isn't necessary, but I like to make things look finished, even though it's going to be buried and hopefully never seen again. Now it's time to turn the water on and check for leaks. Your repair is complete. Well, that's it for this video. I'd like to give a special thanks to my wife for helping me with some camera work today. It's the first one she's helped me with, but she has been a great support, and I always love making her laugh. Speaking of support, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. This is Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. Thanks for watching. You got the little red dot in the back? All right. Hey there, it's Matt with 1T Fit and Finish, and I've sprung a leak. Let me show you how to...
Oh. I didn't know it was that quick. Hold on. Sorry.
So before we get started, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers and all of my future subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. And Ellie, you can hang on just for a minute. All right. In 3, 2...
No. They saw me give you the head. I'm so sorry. Not you.
Just say action.
Okay.
Ellie, I'll get your itches.
Okay, hold on.
Ellie and I would like to thank you. Hey there, it's Matt with 1T Fit and Finish, and I've sprung a leak. Nope.
Sorry, they were a little delayed.
Yeah. So before we get started, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. If you get a chance, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment so I can get a recommendation for, other people to watch this video. She's licking her butt. On camera, you're licking your butt on camera.